using the substitution u equals root x, show that the integral from 0 to 4 of f of x dx equals 1/3 ln 5. So from the previous part, we know that this is f of x, so this is what we are trying to integrate. So using u equals root x, if u equals root x, well, root x is x to the power of 1/2. The du dx is, we bring the power down, so we have 1/2 times x to the power of minus 1/2, which means 1/2 times 1 over root x, so it's 1 over 2 root x. And then we multiply both sides by dx, so we get dx equals du. Okay, so we cross multiply. Dx times 1 is dx, and du times 2 root x is 2 root x du. Okay, we cross multiply because we're gonna need dx equals something. Now, since this is still in x, we can't really use this in the substitution, so we're gonna replace the root x with u. So 2u du, that's what we're gonna use in the substitution. Now we need to also substitute this 9 minus x. So if u is root x, u squared is x, and if we multiply both sides by negative and add 9 to both sides, we get 9 minus x can be substituted with 9 minus u squared. And lastly, we need to also substitute the limits of integration from 0 to 4. When the x is 4, the u is root x, so root 4, so it's 2. And if the x is 0, the u is root 0, which is 0. Now we're ready to substitute everything. So from the original integration here, we replace the terminals. 0, 4 becomes 0, 2. That's what we get. And we replace 9 minus x with 9 minus u squared. And we replace the root x with u from the substitution. And we replace the dx with 2u du. Now, since this integration is all in u, including the terminals of the integration, we can start integrating. So we can start by cancelling out the u. We can pull out the 2 out of the integration. And just to be clear, 9 is equal to 3 squared. We can use this MF19 formula. In this case, the a is 3, the x is u. So the integral becomes 1 over 2 times 3 ln 3 plus u over 3 minus u. So this is the integral. And then we plug in 2, plug in 0, and then subtract. If we plug in 2, we're going to get this is 5 over 1, which is just 5. And when we plug in 0, we're just going to get 3 over 3, which is 1. ln 1 is 0, so that's the final answer here. Alright, I'll see you again next time.